Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to level up fast in MU Dark Epoch. Alright, let's begin. First, focus on completing the main quests. These provide the highest amount of experience, unlock new areas, skills, and game features, making them the fastest way to level up. Use the game's auto quest feature to complete objectives more efficiently. If you reach a point where the main quest becomes too difficult, switch to subquests until you're strong enough to continue. They offer additional experience and useful rewards to help you progress. Next, participate in daily events and activities. Be sure to complete modes like Bellator, Lands of Demons, and any other daily events available. These reset after a cooldown, so finishing them every day is one of the best ways to earn consistent experience and rewards. You should also hunt monsters in high-level zones while completing quests. This gives you extra experience and valuable item drops at the same time, helping you level up and improve your gear. Another great tip is to join an active guild. Guilds often provide experience buffs and unlock cooperative events that increase your overall progression. Playing with an active guild also gives you access to more rewards. Finally, use any XP boost or double experience items you receive. Activate them before completing quests or farming monsters to maximize the amount of experience you earn. So that's basically how you can level up fast in MU Dark Epoch. That's it for this video. Thanks.